Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Okay, so let's begin. So we can go straight into our WhatsApp. I just downloaded it just to show you the whole process. In here you need to select your language. In here click on agree and continue. Allow to send the notifications, and now you need to enter your phone number right in here, so that's what I'm gonna do. So just give me a second. Okay, it should be working. Okay, so now when you have the contacts and media, simply click on continue, click on allow. And as you can see, now we have looking for backups, and now we have the option to restore our chats. Also below we have how long the backup was made. In my case it's 6 minutes ago. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel we have a video when I'm showing you how to create such a backup. So if you want, you will be able to find it. Okay, also below we have the size of it and the account on which backup was made. Okay, now simply click on this green button, restore. Okay, the process has started, as you can see. Okay, and now 10 messages restored, your media will restore in the background. So now let's simply click on next. In the profile info, simply type your name, and if you click on this green plus button, you will be able to add the photo for yourself. Okay, so now click on next. And now, as you can see, all of the messages, including the photos and videos, have been successfully transferred and restored. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.